Hey guys, Clumsy here, and welcome back to Offworld Trading Company, the tutorial. So in the previous episode, we went through better living through chemistry, and in this one, we will finish the last part of the tutorial. Paolo Rubini, so we're going back to the expansive colony, that faction, to learn the art of the deal. So let's go ahead and start it. I love that soundtrack, by the way. Seneca Development, a new generation of great capitalism. There we go. A bit of action in this one. Competition. So now we have 4 players in the game. This is getting closer and closer to how an actual game is like. Sounds good? How do we do that? And we start off in the middle actually, where we have a couple of structures already built for us. Because we are focusing on a different aspect in this tutorial. So we need to identify the high-priced goods required by the colony and beat our rivals to the punch. Oh crap. And that means farms and factories right away. Because the most expensive resources are food and electronics. Alright, so let's go and upgrade our HQ because we don't have any claims anymore. We have all the materials we need. Let's do that. And then let's build 3 electronic factories, which is this one. So let's go and build that. Is there somewhere where we have it already? No, I don't think so. Give me 1 sec, guys. Okay, there we go. I think somehow the volume changed after a brief update of the game, but now it's better. Alright, so let's build 3 electronics factories. No real place where that can be, so let's just put that here. Actually, we could have put it here, so we could have connected this, but anyway. And then let's build a greenhouse farm. Greenhouse farm we can build right here to get some bonus. 75% bonus right there. Speed it up. And one more. So we're still losing money. We're incurring debt because we don't have our own power generation yet. Maybe that will get changed later on. Ah, yes, this tutorial focuses on buying stocks and shares of other companies. This is how you beat other companies, by buying them out. So our name is right here, Clumsy Geek. And then we have shares of our company, as you can see in the bars here. 4 shares out of 10 total. And we see the stock price right there. So in order to buy 1 stock, 1 piece, or 1 share of our company, they need to buy it like this. So 1,000, we multiply that by 1,000. Okay, so it doesn't make sense initially to drop liquid assets into stocks, but this is sort of a race. Do you immediately buy stock so you're secured, or will you wait a while and risk that your enemy buys your shares, your company shares? So how do you prevent that? Once you acquire 50% of your company, that majority ownership is given special status. So you can see that there's a padlock icon here. And once you reach 5 shares of your company, you solidify that share. Because normally, your rivals can buy shares 1 at a time. But when they are trying to buy you out, when you have all of them, they will need to buy out those 5 shares in one go, instead of just buying 1 at a time. That means they have to have that bulk money in order to buy you in one go. So it's time to buy some stock. Alright, so we need to sell off our resources first. Let's go and sell some food because we have lots of that, and sell some electronics. There, and then we need to buy 1 block of our stock. Actually, that's not enough. There we go. So let's buy. To buy it, it's 33,584, and that changes based on the stock price. There we go. So you can see that the bars here became 1 solid bar instead of 4 separate ones or 5 separate ones. That means if a rival company wants to buy us, they need to shell out 351,000 in one go. How much money that is, I'll let you guys imagine that, because right now we only have 8k. So this protects you from suddenly buying out, being sold out or something. Okay, so let's stay ahead. We see that glass is raising its price, so we can produce that and earn money out of that. Like so. Speed that up. Actually, we can sell some more. Let's sell some food. You can see that this is growing, and glass is also growing. So we have lots of money now, and then we can buy 2 shares of Rennie right here. So to buy that, we need 15k per block. So if we buy one, that makes us part owner of this company, and buy one more, 2 shares of this company. So you can see you can slowly climb and get more shares. You can slowly buy out each company here if you have enough money. Right. On the subject of speed, it's time to consider building an off-world market. This is one of my most favorite buildings right here. I guess it's one of those hardcore like end game buildings that once you have it, you have a huge chance of winning, but I'll show you how it works. I'm on it. So this one is the Offworld Market. Let's build one right here. Let's slowly climb to that spot there. And then, because the Offworld Market is very high profile, like your enemies will see your base, they will see, he's building an Offworld Market. I have to destroy that, I have to delay that. So one countermeasure would be to purchase a hologram and put that in here. So from their point of view, hologram hacker array. So they will see this building as a hacker array instead of an off-world market. That's how it works. So they will have less, like it will not be that profitable for them to sabotage that building because it's just a hacker array. It's not an off-world market. That's at least the idea. Okay, so we're losing water here. Let's signal an auto supply just so we continue production of food. Okay, there we go. Now we have it. Look at all the numbers. So if I click this, look at how this is. Each shipment costs 20 aluminum and 20 fuel to launch. And we see the numbers here. That is the net profit that we can gain. So in here, one off-world shipping will gain us 18k. That's every minute or so. And then we just need 37,000 to do the initial launch. And then we will get that net revenue once the ship is released. So we'll have a sample of that. Like we can gain 19k here. But I can't click that because actually I could, but it incurred us so much debt right there. We must remain ever vigilant. Okay. Okay, there we go. So we did that one time, but now we can
Offworld shipment launched.
actually
Look at all the money.
look at all the money. 57k is what we got out of that. Just one shipment is 57k. So let's buy out this Rennie again. Oh, and let's set up a repeat Offworld launch. That's what he was saying a while ago. So we did this only one time. If I hold down shift, this will continue non-stop. Yeah, this will keep on going. Okay, so let's just let that happen and let's buy off Rennie right here. 17, 18. And then someone else bought the share, blocked us off. This girl here, Samorino. It's not personal, believe me. Alright, seems good. It's time to pull the trigger and buy that 6th block of stocks. So we need to buy a controlling interest in Rennie 6. So we need to buy this out fully. And in order to buy that, we need 20,000. Okay, and that should come in a bit. How many seconds? 4 seconds. Should get enough money for that.
Offworld shipment launched. Look at all the money.
Look at all the money, indeed. And let's maybe sell off some stuff here. Because I want to actually pay off the debt. It's incurring so much. Why didn't it push through? Oh, actually, it only pays off 1k each. There we go. That's probably not the best way, but I don't like seeing debt personally. So let's just leave it for now, since this is tutorial anyway. So let's buy one more stock. And we now have majority controlling interest here. Yeah, because even if they decide to buy it out, they cannot match the number of shares we have anymore. Alright, so now Rennie 6 is out of the game. He became our subsidiary.
Look at all the money.
And we are getting this income, plus 33. Every second, I think. Yeah. Alright, so now let's upgrade our HQ again. We have all the stuff available. Let's build one more Offworld Market. So you cannot only ship once, you can ship as many Offworld Markets as you have. Just imagine how fast that would be. Let's build one more greenhouse farm right here. And an electrolysis reactor right here. And then a power generator so we can finally have our own power. And good thing there is a geothermal vent right here. So everything is set. Let's go and fast forward a bit.
Offworld shipment launched. Look at all the money.
Look at all the money, indeed. Our Offworld market should finish soon enough. And it should start sending out. There we go.
Our robotics HQ has been upgraded.
Then it should also be sending out food along the way. We need to acquire our competition. So, need to buy them out. Hope this works. Alright. So now we need to buy a controlling interest in San Marino.
A scientific HQ has been upgraded.
And good thing, look at that stock price.
A scavenger HQ has been upgraded.
We can buy all of these actually. There we go. So we bought as much as we can, but this guy locked himself out. You can see that straight bar here. So in order to buy the whole company, we have to buy it in one go, which would require 121k. Actually, we have that. But why can't we?
Offworld shipment launched.
Okay, anyway, let's...
Look at all the money.
It's telling us that we should buy an adrenaline boost from the Offworld market and boost out our Offworld markets here. Even speed up the production and the shipping even more. Consider leaving us be. I'll survive, thanks. We can do it. Someone used dynamite on us. Crap.
Offworld shipment launched. Look at all the money.
Just need a little more money. Yeah, so this will get fixed under construction. How do we fix that? But anyway, let's build a water pump for now. Build an elemental quarry on silicon right here. And then we can perform a hostile takeover.
Look at all the money.
Like so. And now we have it. Perfect. Even though it required 110k, that was no problem with all the money we have.
Our robotics HQ has been upgraded.
Can I give myself a raise? Okay, so now we have to contend with the main enemy in this mission, in this tutorial. Silas Crichton. Let's try to buy him out. There we go. So look at this. Even though stock price is just 15k, or 15, if we try to buy this out, it will cost us 30k. Because he already has this. This is shaded, this is not gray. So in order to buy this, we have to pay twice the amount. That's also one layer of protection right there. And in order to buy this off, we have to buy all 5 shares in one go, which would be 165k.
Offworld shipment launched.
Actually, we could already do that, but we have some objectives that we need to process. Okay, so to repair, we need to click and then repair. And then filthy pirates, what is this for? Alright, so we need to hire goon squads on our Offworld market right there. And one more for this. There we go. So now we have goon squads, if you remember that from the previous tutorial. We are repairing it. We are purchasing filthy pirates. So in here, we have to look at the supply lines, and maybe let's put somewhere here to block off the routes.
Pirates. I hate those filthy bandits.
That should shoot off those guys right there. Everything that's passing through
Offworld shipment launched.
will have reduced
Look at
resources
all the
coming
money.
in like that. Sounds good. Seal the deal. And then let's even perform a slowdown strike on its Offworld market. There we go. To keep the shipping of that market slower. And then finally, we can buy the company with 153k, which we have so much of. We have 361k. And now we bought it. And that is how you win the game. Buying off your other companies. Not shooting them down, but buying them economically. That is what this game is all about. Making Mars great again. Time to build a wall. And we did it, guys. It is tutorial after all, but it's a good tutorial that readies us for the future, like the practice games and the actual games, even single or multiplayer. But in terms of the tutorial series, that's going to be the end of this tutorial series. I hope you guys enjoyed. We just went through all of the missions here in learning to play, and I hope I was able to help you out even a little in understanding how this game works. Alright? So if you have any comments, suggestions, just let me know below. If you want to see some actual games, either single or multiplayer, let me know as well. But in the meantime, that's gonna be it. This is the Clumsy Geek signing off. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. And do like the video if you enjoyed it. And subscribe for more updates. Alright? Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.